Hi, I am Joy, and there's always joy in cooking. Today, we will make something very easy to prepare recipe, and that is champurrado. For champurrado, we will need 4 cups of water, clear drinking water. Then, we will need 2 cups of sticky rice. And then, I have 3 chocolate pieces here. Puduha lang, we'll try use only 2. And then 1/2 cup of sugar. And then the better evaporated milk. And then for garnish later, we will have birch tree. So let me start my cooking by boiling this water. Pantanay, boil ha. Dali lang gid. I will be back. We'll open our chocolate and then drop this one here. We will wait until it melts. And then once it's melted, we will add our rice. Okay. Come on, baby. Yan. The chocolate is already melting. Do kag budlay-budlay ma-melt kali ni. Sige lang. If uh, if we find this pale, we will add more the last chocolate that we have. We will add the sugar on the last part. Kay basi mabatok. We keep on stirring and stirring and stirring until we don't see any. Ay, ara pa. Okay. So, it seems na wala na siguro. Di siya na-melt na tanan, no? So, we add our sticky rice, glutinous rice. This has been washed 3 times. Nakatatlo gid ya pala hugasan, no? Hindi pwede ka apat, hindi pwede ka duha. But you have to wash it 3 times. Now, we will cook. Ito lawig ni guro nga cook nga ton. So, dali lang. I'll come back. Okay. So, we will have to add salt. Siguro, a pinch of salt. Mga 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Yan. Okay. Dali lang. Wait lang. So, at this point, we will now add the sugar. I'm using brown sugar. Yan. Hmm. Okay. We will make it thicker. Dali lang ha. Dali lang, get.